Ever wonder why some people seem to make money in their sleep while you're stuck working paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you there's a tool that can turn your hidden skills into real, scalable income? Stick around, because today we're unlocking the secrets of TubeMagic, a game-changing AI platform that can help you make money starting today. Before we dive in, click the link below to check out TubeMagic and start your journey to financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving deep into an innovative tool called TubeMagic. Whether you're a creative, a teacher, or just someone with knowledge to share, TubeMagic is here to help you monetize your skills effortlessly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this tool to start generating real income, step by step, even if you're brand new to online money making. The challenge. Let's face it, the idea of making money online can feel overwhelming. You've probably heard about YouTube creators making six-figure incomes, but starting a channel seems daunting. Equipment, editing, algorithms, it feels like a mountain to climb, right? But here's the good news. TubeMagic simplifies the entire process. It turns your skills and ideas into engaging content, automates key tasks, and connects you directly to opportunities for income generation. No fancy cameras or years of experience required. Wait, hold up. Before we dive into the mind-blowing magic of TubeMagic, let's address the elephant in the room, your YouTube channel, or lack thereof. Maybe you've got one, but it's kind of, well, crickets. Your videos aren't attracting viewers, and it feels like all your hard work isn't paying off. Or maybe you've been toying with the idea of starting a channel but have no clue where to begin. And hey, some of you are just here for the juicy details on how TubeMagic can turbocharge your growth. Don't worry, we've got something for everyone. The superhero. Here's the game plan. We're going to start with finding your golden pick or niche, the one that sets you up for success. No more guessing games or spray and pray uploads. Then, we'll reveal how TubeMagic swoops in like a superhero, transforming your channel into a money-making machine. Stick around, because by the end, you won't just understand TubeMagic, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Step 1. Identify your skills and niche. Here's your first step to TubeMagic success. Identify your money-making skills. Are you great at graphic design, video editing, or even social media wizardry? List them. Now, dive into trending niches on TubeMagic to match your skills with what audiences crave. But here's the kicker. Pick something you love. Passion keeps you consistent. And trust me, your audience will feel it. By blending your expertise with a trending, exciting niche, you're not just starting a channel, you're building a brand with viral potential. Stick with me, and I'll show you how TubeMagic turns this into real, scalable income. Step 2. Create engaging content. Ready to capture your audience's attention and keep them hooked? Creating engaging content on TubeMagic starts with picking topics your viewers care about. Think trending, relatable, and irresistible. But here's the magic: use storytelling to make it stick. Share personal anecdotes, juicy examples, or even case studies to keep your viewers emotionally invested. Want to level up? Add eye-popping visuals, animations, graphics, or video clips to make your ideas crystal clear and unforgettable. The result? Content so captivating your audience won't just watch, they'll binge. Stick around, because the next step turns these videos into real moneymakers. Step 3. Optimize your videos for search. Want your videos to get discovered fast? This step is all about search optimization magic. Keywords, title, description, and tags. Start by sprinkling high-impact keywords in your title, description, and tags. This tells YouTube algorithm, hey, show me off. Research what your audience is searching for and align your keywords accordingly. Thumbnail. Next, create irresistible thumbnails. Think bold colors, clear text, and eye-catching images. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression, so make it click-worthy. Viewers' engagement. Finally, spark interaction. Ask for likes, comments, and shares. More engagement means better visibility, and better visibility means bigger growth. Keep watching, your channel's about to blow up. The big question is, how can I make this all possible? This is where TubeMagic does its magic, literally. What is TubeMagic and how does it work? TubeMagic is an AI-powered platform that streamlines the process of creating and monetizing YouTube content. It's perfect for beginners and busy people. From script generation to video optimization, TubeMagic automates the hardest parts of running a YouTube channel. You just plug in your expertise, follow its easy recommendations, and voila, you've got a monetizable channel. Key features and benefits of TubeMagic. 1. Generate AI script. Don't know what to say on your video? TubeMagic generates engaging, keyword-rich scripts customized to your niche. Just input your topic, like easy cooking recipes or personal finance tips, and let the AI handle the rest. 2. Automated SEO optimization. Keywords, tags, titles. TubeMagic ensures your video ranks high in search results by providing optimized suggestions based on trending searches. 3. Title, description, and tag creation. TubeMagic is a powerful YouTube optimization tool designed to boost your video's visibility and engagement. With its title generator, create attention-grabbing, optimized titles tailored for maximum views. The description generator crafts keyword-rich professional descriptions effortlessly. Just paste your video link or context. Plus, the tag generator delivers SEO-optimized tags in seconds, making your content easily discoverable. Simplify your workflow and grow your channel with TubeMagic's all-in-one solution for YouTube success. 4. Content ideas and planning. TubeMagic analyzes market trends and suggests content ideas with high earning potential. For example, top 10 passive income ideas in 2025 or best budgeting hacks for families. 5. Monetization roadmap. Whether it's AdSense, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, TubeMagic provides clear, actionable strategies to help you start earning. Step-by-step guide to using TubeMagic. Sign up and explore the dashboard. Check out the link in the description. TubeMagic offers a 7-day free trial. Once signed in, you'll see a clean dashboard. It's intuitive, no tech expertise needed. 2. Input your niche and skills. Click on video ideas. Are you good at cooking? DIY crafts? Fitness? Enter your area of interest, and TubeMagic generates dozens of video ideas tailored to your strengths. 3. Generate a script and video outline. Click on Video Scripts. Let's say you want to create a video on 3 ways to save $500 this month. TubeMagic creates a detailed script, complete with hooks, transitions, and a CTA or call to action. 4. Create and optimized video titles, descriptions, and tags. With TubeMagic, easily generate SEO-rich titles, descriptions, and tags to boost video performance. These tools help your video rank higher, attract clicks, and engage viewers effectively. 5. Publish and track performance. Once your video is live, TubeMagic can track its performance. It even provides tips to improve future uploads based on viewer engagement. Step 4. Monetize your content effectively. Ready to turn your passion into profit? This step is all about supercharging your channel's monetization. Sure, ad revenue is great, but don't stop there. Explore sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Partner with brands that fit your niche and watch the dollars roll in while giving your audience extra value. Want more? Launch a Patreon for exclusive perks your superfans can't resist, or design merch that screams your brand. From behind-the-scenes access to trendy products, you'll not only grow your income but also build a loyal community. Diversify your strategies, and soon your channel won't just entertain, it'll pay the bills. Step 5. Promote your channel. Ready to boost your channel's growth and visibility? This step is all about smart promotion. Share your videos across social media. Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are goldmines for reaching new viewers. Post clips, behind-the-scenes teasers, and stories to intrigue your audience and drive them to your content. Next, team up with creators in your niche. A collab or shout-out introduces your channel to their fans, instant new viewers. Don't stop there. Jump into online communities like Reddit and Facebook groups. Share value, answer questions, and subtly plug your videos. These strategies not only grow your audience but also build your reputation as a creator worth watching. Keep going, the spotlight's waiting for you. Step 6. Analyze and adapt your strategy. Analyzing and adapting your strategy is crucial for ongoing success on YouTube channel. Demographics data. Start by using analytics tools to track your video performance and viewer demographics. These insights provide valuable information about how your content is performing, including watch time, engagement rates, and audience locations. Understanding these metrics will help you make informed decisions about your future content. Viewers' interest. Next, identify which types of content resonate most with your audience. Look for patterns in the videos that receive the highest engagement or views. This analysis will allow you to adjust your content strategy accordingly, focusing on topics and formats that your viewers love. Don't hesitate to experiment with new ideas, but always keep an eye on the data to see what works best. Keep yourself up to date. Additionally, staying updated on trends is essential for maintaining relevance in the fast-paced digital landscape. Follow industry news, popular creators, and emerging topics within your niche. Adapting your content strategy to incorporate these trends can help you attract new viewers and keep your existing audience engaged. By continuously analyzing your performance and adapting your approach, you'll ensure that your content remains fresh and appealing, ultimately driving growth and monetization on your channel. Here's the big moment. Once you've uploaded a few videos, TubeMagic helps you scale up. Its AI analytics identify your top-performing content, refine your strategy, and unlock high-earning opportunities like sponsorship deals or digital product sales. Imagine earning $1,000 a month or more just from videos you created in your spare time. Let's recap. In this video, we unlocked the secrets to making money with TubeMagic, starting with identifying your skills and aligning them with your passions. By creating engaging, audience-focused content, you not only attract viewers but also build a loyal community eager to support your growth. Now it's your turn. Take action. Subscribe, like, and share this video to empower others on their journey. Ready to start your YouTube journey and make money today? Click the link below and give TubeMagic a shot. Don't wait, your future self will thank you. Want more tips? Explore our channel for insider tricks on video editing, marketing strategies, and monetization hacks. Remember, success with YouTube is a journey, and with these strategies, you're already on the path to crushing your goals. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.